rest of everything here. There, like so.
If I talk into this mic, can you hear me? Could you guys hear me when I was talking there?
Nope. Yeah, you were getting ready.
All right, there we go. All right, I am running OBS for screen capture. Got CodeCompiler from CAYC Cyber Yacht Club. Gonna run us through a little Unreal Kingdoms. We got Rundown Ron and Timmy, KVS and Scorchman and Reptar all here hanging out.
All right, so this is our new updater patcher. We just actually did this yesterday. So this is using AOPS, which is the advanced operation patching system. So this system here will only patch the files that need to be patched instead of it being some big long ass download every single time.
That's what we like to see.
Here you go. You normally come in, select your character type, what you want to be able to play, what you're going to utilize for your main character as you run around in the space station. This will be to where you'll have like multiple selects. So that way, when you're not only just in the space station, but in other zones and everything, you'll be able to jump on too. So as everybody can see here, we have Starship, SSU Universe, which will be down there. To our other side over here, we have Dragon Guild, which is also available. So we will jump up on our board here, go smoothing through here. As you guys can see, like the cat up in the distance up there. Another player's running off over here.
I missed the cat. Where was the cat?
Up on top of the building here.
Oh yeah, up above the icon there. I see him now. The big square on top there. Yeah, I see him.
So this right here would be the marketing availability. So that way when you buy floors, you'll be able to go and put in your own area. That's like 8 floors. So that way it's a full square.
Cool.
And it goes all the way around the building as a wrap. And it is light sensitive. So when you're in front of a certain light, it is brighter and so forth. So it is light sensitive.
The Silver Surfer, are you headed towards Starship?
I am heading towards Dragon Guild right now.
Oh, okay. I can't distinguish the buildings yet. I don't know which one's which. I haven't
Yeah, we're working on putting on some like northeast, southwest availability, so everybody knows where they're going.
And I see you coding this like live every day in the CAYC Discord.
Oh yeah. I don't know. So as you come in, you'll be able to, now this is connecting to a whole different metaverse. So this is connecting to a different metaverse. We're going to travel to that different metaverse.
How many
different server, different hosting?
How many metaverses do you have hooked up or are planning on hooking up in the near future? I know we have
we have SSU, Dragon Guild, Cake Island, and the Galactics so far.
Cool. So this
is our big one for Dragon Guild, that we are doing a complete revamp on this system. As everybody knows, they got to see the little trailer for our flexible combat system that is going live here in the next few days. If you didn't, I will demo it in just a second.
Code, do I remember that you said right now, just in the preview setting, you guys aren't using the full graphical depictions here?
Yes, we're not. We have to keep everything low for the average user, but I can turn this up if you guys would like, and you guys would be like, what the fudge?
I appreciate that.
we literally have the ability to turn up the graphics to 8K. I have it very short in distance only because sometimes I actually log in on the laptop, but and it destroys my little baby laptop. I have an i3 that we tested with, just to make sure that it could play on a little i3. We know that it can.
Are you able to turn up the graphics briefly?
No, not briefly. I'd have to log out and come back in, but I will.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We can save that as fuel for later. That is a big dragon.
So yes, you can eat it to elevate or escape out, B to hit the ground.
There's a scale.
You have your
I have
ability
for
to
you
come in,
guys.
turn on. So this whole skill base, I hate. So we had to get the guy that builds all the flexible combat systems, everything. Give you a demo of what that's about to look like because nobody has it multiplayer yet. So we decided we needed it multiplayer. You know what I'm saying? Like we just had to be a little picky.
Well, hey, just
So
so
we
you know,
went
if
in.
you need somebody to put on the ping pong balls and be your motion cap guy, I'm happy to sword and shield for you there.
Well, I definitely appreciate that. Like I said, for us, it's been pushing out tons and tons of information here. We did just launch Cake Island. We did just put out the launcher. We did make sure that all of our systems were connected and working correctly the way that we wanted it to.
And how many months
Just,
have you been doing this? It's not. It's an insanely small amount of
so
time.
we are at 4 months and 15 days.
Yeah, all of this work in 4 months and 15 days is insane. You guys are killing it.
Just a second here. I'm going to grab the trailer of our new flexible combat system that is going to be going live.
Yeah, so pull any kind of passwords off your screen share there if you need to.
Oh, yeah, no, here you go. So this is what our new flexible combat system looks like. Even the mobs and NPCs have the different character availability, and they have flexible combat availability too.
Outstanding. Now, this is going to be the Dragon Guild combat system for now?
Yes, and it'll also be utilized with some of our other games. We have a first-person shooter side of it with GTA type thing too that's going to have very similar to this too.
Ooh, well, maybe we can get there on another time, but the laser tag game, does that use a similar build out?
Yes, it will be utilizing a similar build out. So attacking functionalities, being able to set your target attack. Like this is actually for players. This is the super gamer. This isn't just highlight something and press one. This is
interactive.
The new elevation of interactiveness. You can dodge attacks. You can get out of it. You can roll. This is something that
this is familiar combat animations. This is not just placeholder poke, 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 poke. Yeah. That's
so yeah.
awesome.
This has not been made public for multiplayer. This is not a multiplayer option. We are going to be the first ones with it as a multiplayer option. So that is going to be available for everybody there. So we won't just have the basic little attacking, swinging functions anymore here after our probably an update or two. That'll all be going away, plus our character modeling system, plus all these NPCs. So all these NPCs will not be procedurally placed where they just stay in one spot. They will all be moving, functioning around, and they will all have subclasses. So if they're going to be, for instance, if they're a skeleton, they could be a warrior, a rogue, they could be a caster, they could be a mage. They can do different functionalities the same as every player that's there, but it's also going to be based off of level and certain areas.
Hopefully in the future, games that want to have a portal in the Unreal Kingdoms, they can do all this work and you just portal over to them. You don't have to design.
That is correct.
I love this castle. This makes me happy. I want a castle.
With that, you have the ability to go to any of the other lands that they have. So they have ice, lava, nether, sand, or desert.
I have netherland, I believe. Or do I have,
and
no,
then,
I have lava
or
land.
they can go back to the space station.
Awesome.
So then a user can go and click back into the space station. Now they are leaving this whole entire metaverse and going back into the main space station with Unreal Kingdoms.
And Unreal Kingdoms, the space station is basically the hub to get to all of the other metaverses that either you have built on or that someone else can build on and just portal.
That is correct.
Freaking awesome.
We are working on a few little fixtures on some things, but nothing that's too crazy.
And here, do I remember correctly that the station here is also your shopping mall, your shopping hub?
That is correct. So each and every single one of these floors is a mall. So it allows the users to be able to come in and get their own mall space where they can build out. They can put in whatever unique items that they want. They can connect their Shopify store to it and be able to sell products, items, icons, whatever you want.
It really is a metaverse. Maybe you don't want to talk about this, but I'm going to ask anyway. Is this going to be VR?
It is. And we're also looking at doing PlayStation, Xbox, and having a mobile plug-in system for it too.
So I could, get an HTC Hive or whatever and hook it up to my phone and walk around and.
Yeah.
Anyway, holy crap! PSVR, Xbox VR.
So we wanted to see how well some of the different visuals would look like with different things. So as you can see here, we're going to go and look around the building with shading and everything.
Hey, it's actually.
So as you can see, yeah, everybody needs to get their furniture. But look at the difference in the light.
Oh yeah. Hey, I know that logo. Good old Starship Mall floor right there.
That's right. That's right. And Starship Mall floor is available there too. Then also connecting to a completely other metaverse, which is mine.
And this is the CyberApe Yacht Club planet.
Well, it's actually an island, but it just. Now, this is in pre-launch. I did not slow down some of the speeding hoverboard stuff, so now you guys are going to see the worst crash cycle you've ever seen in the world. Ready?
Do it. Who's driving this thing?
Yeah.
This is so great to see.
Oh, yeah. I mean, if you can't go and laugh at the mistakes that you make and the different things that you do, you probably shouldn't be in this field.
Well, technically, Silver Surfer can walk through anything.
That's true. That is very true.
So, where is the laser tag? Because
It's in the weapons center. I do not have that active right now. I actually.
Oh, no worries then. We were just.
Yeah, I will load it up here. But
That's
yes,
good.
we do have the laser tag in the weapons center.
Before we give away too much alpha, I'm gonna stop the live stream and we can keep chatting and goofing off. But I don't want to. I just want to have a little tease for everybody. We'll share this on our Alpha Origins group and our channels and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna stop the live stream and then we can keep playing. Everybody else is just gonna have to come and get the alpha from you at CyberApe Yacht Club Discord or in the Alpha Origins Discord.
This hasn't even been released yet. Nobody's even gotten to see this whole side of it, and I'm taking you guys over to it right now.
Oh, I think I should stop right. Should I stop? Should I be a jerk and stop?
Nobody, not even you guys, have gotten to see this one. Here's the old city being built. Ugh.
Wipeout.
Very Tony Hawk / Silver Surfer-ish.
I know. This wasn't even supposed to be loaded yet on this side of everything. But yeah, so all the other buildings are going to be here, the texturing, the different items. Just a sec here.
Oh,
So people will be able to.
That's all you're going to get, everybody. You'll have to come in Discord and get more.